Howdy! I'm back. As you can see, I have finished Craig's second name, H-U-N-T, and I am about to start the long section where it will go around his neck before I do the stripes for the other side. So, at this point, I'm going to cut off the yarn for the stripe color. So right about there. Then I'll tie it off with a double half hitch. At least I think that's what they call it if I remember my Boy Scout training. You can just use whatever knot you like. And now, using the base color, I will knit approximately 120 rows. It's depending on the person's neck, you might want to make it a little longer or a little shorter. Also depends on how long their stripes are for their name. Because if they have a very short name, you want to make the neck longer so it doesn't, so the stripes will show when they put the scarf on. But here we go, starting it for 120 rows, and I think I'll go about 60 rows and then see you again. See you later.